How to reach the Fansipan Mountain peak in Sapa, Vietnam as a solo traveler. The Fansipan Mountain in Vietnam is known as the roof of Indochina. This majestic mountain is the highest peak in all of Southeast Asia, standing tall at 3,143 meters above sea level. Fansipan offers breathtaking views and challenging trekking routes. The mountain is also home to diverse flora and fauna, making it a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. The Fansipan monorail and cable car are not only the convenient way to reach the summit, but also offers panoramic views of the surrounding valleys and rugged terrain. I suggest that you book your monorail and cable car tickets ahead so that you can skip the long lines on the day of your trip. As you prepare for your monorail and cable car journey to Fansipan Mountain, there are a few things you should keep in mind. First, make sure to wear comfortable clothing and sturdy shoes, as the weather at the summit can be unpredictable and the pathway to the summit can be challenging. Bring plenty of water and snacks to keep your energy levels up throughout your journey. As you board the cable car to Fansipan Mountain, get ready for the breathtaking experience. The cable car ride offers panoramic views of green valleys, terraced rice fields, and majestic mountains stretching as far as the eyes can see that will take your breath away. Feel the cool mountain breeze on your face as you ascend higher and higher towards the summit. You may take the first trip to Fansipan Peak so that you can avoid the large crowd and you can enjoy most of its spaces with few people. Once you reach the top, be prepared for a sense of accomplishment and awe at the panoramic vista that awaits you. Take your time to explore the various viewpoints and photo opportunities along the way. Hit like and share if you want more DIY guide in exploring Vietnam and other destinations.